Okay. I think we have created 12%. I think we have created, right? Let me check once. Okay. With 46, sorry. I think U1 we have created, I believe. L1. Yeah, we have created, right? Ultra interest indicator. Kindly check your notes. Because I remember we have completed this calculation. You can see that.
Bank interest rate calculated completed 3 types.
Sorry.
We have done up to assign interest indication to GL masters. 7th point.
That's what I'm saying. I'm asking the same. Yeah, we need to post the transactions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. That's what I was asking. So we need to post the transactions. Okay. Give me a second time. Write down. After assign interest indicators of GL masters. Next one, write down. Posting transactions in end user's screen. Posting transactions in end user's screen. Okay. So write down posting transaction code FB50, FB50. Okay. Okay, write down slash and FB50. FB50, write down transaction code. Transaction code. Document date. So what I'll do, I'll try to post it in last year date, that is 01/12/2022. I'll try to post 01 because it's a month end activity or year end activity. 01/12/2022. Posting date also same. 01/12/2022. Reference number. Loan 01. Loan received from which bank? ICICI, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, loan received from ICICI. So I'll create 2,40,000. And one more. And one more, we have 1,30,000, I believe, Bank of America. Yeah, ICICI, sorry, ICICI. Debit. Credit. Amount 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Right on this. Or I'll take 10 lakhs. 1 lakh car. 10 lakhs. Right on this. Loan received from ICICI. Or you can take the last month or else. what I'll do is instead of year end, 107. 107. Okay, month wise I'll do it initially. Okay, 170 and month. So here important is value date. So we need, if you press enter, it will take current date. So we need to take 0107 2023, not 22. It's 23. Okay, so 23. 0107 2023. Right until here. So business area, BHYD. What is this? UHYD. Profit center. Write down business area UHYD. Profit center U1000. Okay, so automatically posting period got changed. Because month is not completed. That's the reason I have taken last month date. 1 July. Okay. Any questions still here?
No.
Yeah. Click on save button. Post button. So next one more entry. Okay. I'll take 10th July 2023. 10th July 2023. Okay, we have given loan to employee. So two different scenarios I am working. Okay. So I'll write it here. Loan given to employee. GL account. Employee, we think we have created 2,20,000. Yeah, loan to employee 2,40,000. This credit. Okay, debit and credit. Right on 2,20,000 is loan to employee. Cash account 2,50,000. I'm giving the amount 2,50,000. So loan we given to the party. So write down same thing. This is on 10th July. Very important value date. If you are in current date is different. Just write it up as it is. Okay. Period got changed. Okay. So business area, UHYD, profit center, U1000, Hyderabad profit center. Business area, Hyderabad business area, UHYD, and profit center, U1000. Okay. Hope it is done. So click on save button. Click on save button. Okay. There are two postings. There are two postings. One is we have taken a loan from ICICI for car and we have given advance given to employee. Okay. Next write down. Next, let us do the interest calculation. After posting interest calculation. Write down bank interest calculation. Month end activity. Bank interest calculation. Month end activity. Write down the path. SAP menu. Okay. Write down SAP menu. Accounting. Financial accounting. General ledger. Periodic processing. General ledger. Periodic processing. Interest calculation. Interest calculation. Balances. Transaction code F.52. 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 I'll repeat once again. SAP menu. SAP menu. Accounting. SAP menu. Accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Next one. General ledger. General ledger. Next one. Periodic processing. Periodic processing. Periodic processing. Next one. Interest calculation. Periodic processing. Interest calculation. I'll repeat. General ledger. Periodic processing. Under that, interest calculation. Interest calculation. Balances. Balances. Transaction code F.52. Transaction code F.52. Okay. F.52. F.52 or F.52. Okay. This is the screen. What is our chart of account? UOCA, I believe. UOCA. Chart of accounts. UOCA. UOCA. Account number 1,30,000. That is nothing but loan taken. 1,30,000. Okay. Company code UT01. Okay. And calculation period. Calculation period. We are calculating for 1 month. We are calculating for 1 month. What is the date we have given? 01/07/2023 from 31st July. So last month we are calculated 2023. So write down till here 31/7/2023. Okay. So one more employee also we will do. So select multiple account. What is the employee account? 2,20,000. So 2,20,000. Two accounts I'm doing simultaneously interest calculation. 2,20,000. Just write it down as it is. Interest calculation. 1,30,000, 2,20,000. Is it the same account we have? Let me check. 1,30,000 and one is 2,20,000. Loan to employees. Loan to employees. Just write it down. Okay, click on execute button. So below, write down date of last interest. So leave it blank. Okay, just date of last interest run, just leave it blank. Why? Because we have not yet run any interest, because this is the first month rent we are calculating. Okay. By default, reference number, it will take 1. By default, reference number, it will take 1. So here we have three options. One is for value date, one is for document date, and one is for posting date. You can see here 1, 2, 3 already it is mentioned. As I mentioned, value date, document date, and posting date. That's the reason I mentioned at the time of posting, value date is very important. If you have taken a document date and posting date are different and value date is something different, then interest calculation will not be performed properly. So as a consultant, at the time of indicating, at the time of giving training to your client, then you need to clearly explain these things. Okay. So that's the reason, whether you remember or not, in the first instances, starting classes, I have clearly explained what do you mean by value date, domestic date, document date, posting date, and everything, because we need to explain about this regarding to client. Okay. Okay. By default, which date it will take? Calculate value date normally. Which date it will take? Value date normally. If I go
Today's post.
2 days date. So it will not calculate 2 days date to that particular date interest. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Next one. Okay. Additional date again. So we have additional date. Again, same thing. It will show 3 different dates. Additional date will be calculated as per your posting. We need to select here posting date. Additional date should always select with posting date. Okay. Posting date. Next one. Next one, keep the check boxes. Standard interest calculation. Next one, additional balance line. Means principal amount plus balance line item it will show. Write down, keep checkbox, standard. Okay. Is it done till here? Reference date, additional date, right? Standard interest calculation and additional balances. Next one more. We need to select update master record. Update master record means whatever main accounts are there, that will be get affected. Next one, post interest settlements. Post interest settlements plus update master records. Just write it down. Give the session name. We have created a recurring document session. So here I'll give. Okay, I'll give ultra, right? Ultra interest 1. Ultra interest 1. Business area UHYD. 31 July 2023. Posting date. Document date session. Same date. Next one. Select hold processed session. You remember batch sessions we have created For recurring documents, same thing we are following here also. Next one. Posting segment text, I'll write it. There is an option called posting segment text. Interest calculation. Text, this is nothing but interest calculation. Just write it down. So we are giving, remember this batch name. Okay. Posting to business area, posting date sessions, document date sessions, value date sessions. And next one, we are giving the text and select hold processed session. So every month we need to run this. So that's the reason we have selected hold processed session. Right on this. Okay, next click on. Okay, done. Click on execute. Can I go ahead?
Yes, Naveen.
Yeah, click on execute. You can see here. Interest for 10 lakhs, 30 days, 9863. 9863 interest calculation. Okay, 9863. So for 30 days, 12%, 9863. If you want, I'll show in the Excel also. So 10 lakhs. Is it 10 lakhs only? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12% interest, right? 12%. 12% interest. Okay. So it's nothing but 12 equal to, you know how to calculate 12%, right? One lakh 20. Okay, so what I'll do, this is for 30 days, right? So equal to this into 30 divided by 365 days. 360. 9863.014. Now you can see in here this one. See here. 9863.014 interest. Correct? It is interest 12. So this is interest amount. So 10 lakhs plus interest is added and it is created new line item 10 lakhs 9,863. Okay. So one more loan account we have 2 lakhs. Okay. See here. On which date we have taken? On 10th of this thing. So it is calculated only for 21 days. It is calculated only for 21 days. So 21 days interest on how much amount? 2 lakhs, right? On 2 lakhs, 21 days, it is calculating interest of rupees 1726.27. The same way you can calculate the interest. Okay. So it will become 17.6. So here it is calculating, I think 2,50,000, the loan amount, principal amount. See here, 2,50,000. And on that 1,726. So you can see the balance 2,51,726. It is calculating. Okay. Clear, everyone? Any questions? So you can see here. You can see here your debit interest and credit interest. See debit interest and credit. This is your debit interest and credit interest. So here it is showing the balance interest. The balance interest. Any questions here? Any questions? No, right? So next one, batch input session. Next one, execute batch input session. Write down the path, batch input session. System, services, system, services, batch input sessions. Transaction code, you remember it, SM35. Transaction code SM35. Okay. Systems, services, services, batch input sessions. SM35. SM, so system, services, batch input sessions. Okay, click on services. Now you can see your first listing. INT session 1, UI interest session 1. So select UI into your batch session name. Select your batch interest session and click on process. Click on process button. Click on process button. So select process foreground. Process foreground. So press enter. Click on process. So it will show entries. So press enter. Profit. Okay. Profit center. So it will show one error. Balance field. Why? You remember we have updated only at the time of entry. We have updated only business area. Did we updated profit center?
No.
Entry level. So write down balance field profit center. Just now I have entered, right? Updated the profit center. So balance, write down. If we have not updated profit center, then the following error message will be update shown. That is nothing but balancing field profit center in the item 001 not filed. So write down this error message. So write down maintain default profit center for interest accounts. This is the solution. Okay, what we need to do first, we need to cancel this batch. So same thing. So we got an error. So we need to cancel this session.
But you didn't give the profit center, right?
We didn't get because we have not updated, right? So system, system, services, batch input, and we have cancel. So we are canceling the process. Exit batch input. Click on exit batch input. Click on exit batch input. Okay. Write down maintain default profit center for interest accounts. Okay, for interest paid and received accounts. Write down the path SPRO So maintain default profit center for interest accounts within the bracket. Write down paid and received accounts. Paid and received accounts. Write down the path SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, master data, profit center, assign default profit center accounts. Assign default profit center accounts. So go with SPRO. I'll show it once again. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, general ledger accounting new. So master data, profit center, assigned default profit center accounts. Assign default profit center accounts. Assign default profit center accounts. Okay, this is a table. We don't have a transaction code for this. This is a newly introduced one. Okay. So assign default profit center accounts. Assign default profit center accounts. So click on execute button. So give your company code UT01. Work area, company code UT01. So click on OK. Press new entries. Press new entries. So we have a 3 lakhs accounts from. If you don't remember the accounts, then you can check here. 3 lakhs 20, right? Interest received account. 3 lakhs 20. We need to assign profit center to received accounts and paid account. So I'm selecting here. Write down this as it is. So I'll select it. Default U1000 Hyderabad. Any company code you can select like this. Next one, paid interest. If you don't remember the paid interest, I remember 4 lakhs 40 10. But still, if you don't remember 4 lakhs 40,010, you can check from here. See here, interest paid account. Just write it down. So same U1000. For all company codes, you can do like this. So this is nothing but your received account, interest received account, and there's an interest paid account. And we are creating default profit center. Without giving profit center, automatically it will take. So click on save button. Ultra group, right? Click on OK button. Click on OK button. Okay. For other company. Okay. Other company, write down note. Other company codes also process the same. So we will go to the batch input session. So from here only we can go systems, services, batch input session, sessions. You remember that's the reason we kept it as on hold, the process batch. Sessions, write down from system, services, batch input, sessions. Systems, services, batch input, sessions. So click on this. Select session. Next, click on process. Select session. The same session, right? Process. Click on process. Click on process button. Okay. Click on process. So select process foreground. Select process foreground. And by default, take this Dyne Pro standard size. Okay, press enter. Click on process. Okay, press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. There is no error message now. So GL Masters also it got submitted. So it's updating for received and this one, exit batch. Okay, so everything is updated. Now, if you go to report, write down, go to the report FAGLL03, FAGLL03, go to the report FAGLL03, go to the report FAGLL03. Okay, so 1,30,000. Company code UT01. Select open items. GL account number 1,30,000. Company code UT01. Select open item. Click on display. Click on execute. Click on execute. Choose the selection. 1,30,000. I think I have taken from UT01 only, right? You can see here. See here. 1 lakh is the principal amount, interest amount. Okay. You can see the accounting entry. You can see the accounting entry. Interest paid, account debited to ICICI car loan account. Clear, everyone? Any questions here? So automatically it will post every month. Okay, next account we will see. Next account, 2,22,000. Loan advance to employee. 2,20,000 loan to employees. Loan to employees GL account, company code UT01, and click on execute button. So we have given to the party. So same thing, if you can click here, click display entry. So it will be credited now. Loan to employees account debited to interest received account. It's an income. So as per nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Or your income account always shows a credit balance. So income is increasing here. Just write it down. This is about your bank interest calculation. Every month end it will be perfect. Sorry. Any questions on this?
No, Naveen.
Yeah, this is about your bank interest calculation. And tomorrow session, we will complete the foreign last topic from GL accounts, foreign currency valuation. Clear? And day after tomorrow, we are going to start with our accounts payable. So meanwhile, kindly check if at all any questions, please let me know so that we can clarify. But these things to be practiced. Again, I'm reiterating, 1-time practice or 2-time practice or 3-time practice, it's not enough. Again and again, I'm reiterating. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.